Hello, welcome to ED Trading. So in this video, I'll be showing you a very simple strategy and very effective strategy. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know what you think about this video. How this strategy works is you change your candle time to 1 hour, then your time to 1 hour, yeah. Then anytime you see a movement like this, a bearish movement, a lot of bearish movement, then one bullish candle, another bullish candle, another bullish candle. Take your trend line and put it at the beginning of that retracement. Then at the cross of that retracement, you sell, you sell, you sell. If you are a risk taker, when you lose, you continue selling till you lose twice, then you stop. So we're going to see other currencies to see if this strategy really works on other currencies and see. So you can see the movement here, bearish movement here. Then the first bullish candles, another bullish candle, another bullish candle. Take your trend line, you put it just below this bullish candle. Then you wait for the cross. At the cross here, you sell, you sell, you sell. Then if you lose, you keep selling. If you lose twice, then you stop, or you just sell once and twice, then you stop selling so that you don't lose much of the money. You can see what happened here also. Bullish movement and bearish movement here. Then at the start of the retracement here, there's a bullish candle, another bullish candle. You put your trend line just below these bullish candles, and at the cross you sell, you sell, you sell. So let's see other currencies. Let's see if it works on other currencies. You can see there's a bearish movement here. Then you take your trend line, put this bullish candle here, bullish candle, another bullish candle. Then you put your trend line here. At the cross, you sell, you sell, you sell. When you lose, you just stop or you keep selling till you lose twice. You can see there is a bearish movement here. Then a bullish candle, another bullish candle. You take your trend line, you put it there. Then at the break of that trend line, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell. But don't forget to change your time. Don't forget to put your time to 1 hour. Don't forget to put your time to 1 hour so that you continue selling. Your time must be 1 hour. So you can see this strategy works. There's a bearish movement here, bearish trend here. A bullish candle, another bullish candle. You take a trend line, put it just below the movement here. At the break, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell. You change your time to 1 hour, then you keep selling until you lose. You lose, you sell again. If you want, you're a risk taker, you continue selling and you keep on selling. You can see what happened here. There's a bearish movement. You take your trend line, you put it in, you sell at the next candle, you failed, then you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you fail again, you can stop, but you keep selling until you fail twice, then you stop selling. So let's look for order and see. So this is also a movement here. There's also a movement here. And you put your trend line just below that start. At the break, you sell, you lose, you sell. If you're a risk taker, you continue selling. But if you don't want to take a risk, you sell once and you stop selling, or when you lose twice, you stop trading. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know what you think about this video.